What if just 30 days from now, your favorite hobby wasn't just fun, but actually making you money through smart investing? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over an exciting journey into the world of investing with the Hobbyist Challenge. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential investment basics that can transform your financial future in just 30 days. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, we'll break down complex concepts into easy to understand segments. We'll cover everything from understanding different types of investments, like stocks and bonds, to exploring the importance of diversification and risk management. Our goal is to make investing not just informative but also engaging, especially for hobbyists who might feel overwhelmed by the financial jargon. By the end of this challenge, you'll see how investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's a crucial step toward financial growth for everyone. So grab your notebook and get ready to embark on this rewarding adventure that could change your financial landscape forever. Let's dive in. Understanding investment basics. Investing can seem daunting, but grasping a few fundamental concepts can set you on the right path. Let's start with some key terms. Stocks represent ownership in a company, meaning when you buy a stock, you own a piece of that business. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans you give to companies or governments in exchange for interest payments over time. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making them a great option for beginners looking for variety without having to pick individual investments. Understanding the relationship between risk and return is crucial. Generally, higher potential returns come with higher risks. Knowing your risk tolerance will help you make informed decisions about where to invest. Lastly, familiarize yourself with different investment vehicles available, such as exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and real estate. Each option has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's essential to explore what aligns best with your financial goals. Setting financial goals. Setting realistic financial goals is a crucial step in your investment journey. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Take a close look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand and what you can realistically invest. Next, define your short-term and long-term investment goals. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or an emergency fund, while long-term goals could involve building a retirement nest egg or saving for a home. Having both types of goals helps create a balanced investment strategy. It's also essential to align your goals with your personal values. Ask yourself what truly matters to you, whether it's financial independence, supporting your family, or contributing to a cause you care about. When your investment goals reflect your values, you'll be more motivated to stay committed to your financial journey. Remember, setting clear and achievable goals is the foundation for successful investing. Researching investment options. Researching and evaluating different investment options is key to making informed decisions. Start by exploring reliable sources for investment research, such as financial news websites like Bloomberg, CNBC, and Yahoo Finance. These platforms provide up-to-date information on market trends, economic indicators, and company news that can influence your investment choices. Next, it's crucial to analyze company performance and market trends. Look at financial statements, earnings reports, and key performance indicators, KPIs, to gauge a company's health. Understanding market trends can also help you identify sectors that are growing or declining, allowing you to make strategic investments. Finally, don't rush into any decision. Take the time to compare different investment options. Consider factors like potential returns, risks, and how each option aligns with your financial goals. By thoroughly researching and evaluating your choices, you'll be better equipped to make investments that suit your needs and help you achieve your financial aspirations. Happy researching. Creating an investment plan. Developing a personalized investment plan is essential for achieving your financial goals. Start by outlining the steps to create a diversified investment portfolio. Diversification involves spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may balance it out. Next, focus on asset allocation, which refers to how you distribute your investments among different asset classes. Your allocation should reflect your risk tolerance and investment timeline. For example, younger investors might lean more towards stocks for growth, while those nearing retirement may prefer bonds for stability. Lastly, remember that your investment plan isn't set in stone. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your evolving goals and market conditions. This proactive approach will help you stay on track and make informed decisions as you navigate your investment journey. With a solid plan in place, you'll be well equipped to work toward your financial aspirations. Starting to invest. Taking the first steps in investing can be both exciting and a bit intimidating. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open a brokerage account. Research different platforms to find one that suits your needs, considering factors like fees, user interface, and available resources. Many platforms offer easy sign-up processes and educational tools to help you along the way. Once your account is set up, remember that it's perfectly fine to start small. Investing a modest amount allows you to gain experience without taking on too much risk. As you become more comfortable and knowledgeable, you can gradually increase your investments. Finally, stay informed and continue learning about investing. Follow financial news, read books, and consider joining investment communities to exchange ideas and strategies. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Remember, investing is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Monitoring and adjusting investments. Monitoring your investments is crucial for long-term success. Regularly tracking your investment performance allows you to see how well your portfolio is doing and whether it aligns with your financial goals. Set a schedule to review your investments, whether it's monthly or quarterly, to stay on top of any changes. Staying updated on market conditions and news is equally important. Economic shifts, industry developments, and global events can all impact your investments. By keeping informed, you can make timely decisions that could enhance your portfolio's performance. When it comes to making adjustments, knowing when to sell or hold investments is key. If an investment consistently underperforms or no longer aligns with your goals, it may be time to sell. Conversely, if an investment shows strong potential for growth, holding on to it could be beneficial. Always base your decisions on thorough analysis rather than emotions. By actively monitoring and adjusting your investments, you'll be better positioned to achieve your financial objectives. In conclusion, as we wrap up our 30-day investment journey, let's recap the key takeaways. We started by understanding the basics of investing, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. We then emphasized the importance of setting realistic financial goals and creating a personalized investment plan. Researching investment options and monitoring your portfolio were also crucial steps in ensuring your financial growth. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to begin your investing journey, It's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like it to stay updated on more valuable content. We'd love to hear from you. Share your investment experiences in the comments below. What challenges have you faced and what successes have you celebrated? Engaging with our community can provide additional insights and support as you navigate your investment path. Don't forget to explore our related content for more tips and strategies. Together, let's continue to grow and succeed in our investment endeavors. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.